Outwardly, the Giulia looks like nothing else out and about because of its tight styling and exemplary Alfa Romeo grille. The excellence is more than shallow, as well. The fundamental equipment is aggressive, with the base Giulia and Giulia and Ti getting a vivacious 280-strength turbocharged 4-chamber motor driving the back wheels through a fast-moving 8-speed programmed transmission. It's the highest point-of-the-line Giulia Quadrifoglio trim, in any case, that really makes its essence known by forcefully gunning for top execution respects of the class. It comes equipped with an effective Ferrari-created turbocharged V6 motor, weight-sparing carbon fiber, articulating optimal design, and an entire host of other speed-improving highlights to prevail upon the hearts and wallets of execution fans. All things considered, the Giulia has a challenging situation to deal with. Alfa's merchant organizes little, and the jury is still out with respect to the model's dependability. Be that as it may, in case you're searching for a little extravagance car that conveys some enthusiasm to the fragment, the Giulia could in all likelihood be your auto. For 2018, Alfa has reconsidered a portion of the Giulia's alternatives bundles and made some extra trim-level names. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Network is presently accessible this year. The turbo 2.0-liter motor in the Giulia and Ti models packs some punch, yet the model we'd suggest getting is the best retired Quadrifoglio since the Giulia organizes execution to such an extent. Consider the Driver Assistance Dynamic Plus bundle on the off chance that you need the most recent and cutting-edge driver security helps, for example, forward crash cautioning with programmed crisis braking. We've discovered the standard Brembo brakes and warmed game seats more than sufficient, so there's little motivation to get the expansive carbon clay brakes and less flexible, and non-warmed, Sparco hustling seats.